Android Auto 13.8 introduces several key enhancements, focusing on improved user experience and expanded functionality. Notably, this update addresses and resolves the Google Maps issue where the viewpoint was obscured, restoring the previous, more user-friendly navigation display. Additionally, Android Auto is preparing to support a wider range of applications, including video playback for when the vehicle is parked, through Google's quality program for car apps. Beyond these feature updates, version 13.8 includes general improvements in stability, fixes for specific vehicle and mobile compatibility issues, and addresses audio and Bluetooth connectivity problems. This update is available for all users via the Google Play Store, with options for expedited access.